MongoDB is an open source document database which stores JSON-like documents, and the primary data structure for MongoDB is called BSON. So BSON is a binary representation of a JSON-like document. It's designed to be efficient both in the storage space and scan speed compared to JSON. It has more data types than JSON, such as datetime, byte arrays, regular expressions, MD5 binary data, JavaScript code. And just to show you that it is binary, so you're not going to be able to easily open it up and make sense of it. With MongoDB, they have an API, and so here's an example of inserting records. I believe it's using JavaScript. So if you use the Mongo shell, which we do utilize that in the lab, we'll see a bit of that. Let's just talk about overall some of the features of MongoDB. The first thing is that there is an interactive shell called MongoSH, and you can generally interact with MongoDB utilizing a MongoDB driver, which is just basically like a Ruby. I say Ruby, sorry. I meant to say like a library, a programming library, whether it's Ruby, Python, JavaScript, to interact with your server. MongoDB traditionally doesn't use SQL, but there is a variant called MQL, an Atlas SQL, but I don't think we'll utilize that with particular things like on AWS, GCP, or Azure. The default port is 270117. There is another port for 27018. Depends if you're using plus SRV as your connection. MongoDB supports searches against fields, range queries, regular expressions. It supports primary and secondary indexes. It's highly available. It can be obtained via replica sets. MongoDB scales horizontally using sharding. MongoDB can run over multiple servers via load balancing. MongoDB can be used as a file system called GridFS. MongoDB provides 3 ways to perform aggregation. So we have aggregation pipeline, MapReduce, single purpose aggregation. MongoDB supports fixed size collections called capped collections. MongoDB claims to support multi-document ACID transactions, but some people will debate you on that. So that gives you a general idea of MongoDB, okay?